The most fun when I traveling around by bike, I can see the different place. I can see the new scenery. Then I can release my stress. Okay, see that place. It is in Indonesia, in my country. Okay, there is slum area over there, and the other side is some residents. I hope you can enjoy my video, my new video, the drawing with my journey. Okay, let's see. Okay everybody, what drawing again I can draw? Let's follow. What idea I can get here? I think it is always about nature. I think about today. Okay, let's see. Okay, I hear the bird sounds over there, so I think I really like to draw the bird now. Okay. Yes, here. Okay. Okay, this one. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Now I want to color the leaf as usual. Okay, student, I still thinking about the title of the poster. What is the title of this poster? Save the earth or save the... Okay, I think save the nature. Okay, because this is the drawing bring the nature than the earth itself. Okay, this one is enough, and then this light green. Oh, I like today. Today is a beautiful day with the sounds of the bird and what? Yeah, the sounds of the bird and the cool of the wind. Yeah. I'm sorry, my English not so good, but it's okay. I tried for you. Okay, please comment for me. Okay, gonna add some decoration down. Oh yeah, I am Indonesian. I like to draw. I am a teacher. I like to share, and I like to make video. Just that. How about you? If you want to comment about me, about my drawing, just do it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna give you while I draw, I'm gonna give you some tips. Okay. This drawing is not so difficult that I can say drawing is easy. Why easy? Because you just, when you draw something, you just look at the shape, the main shape of that object. Example, what shape of the trees look like rectangle, like that only. And what shape of the leaf, this curve only. Even I'm gonna show you after this what shape of the bird. This is the nest, only the line, just that. Everything is easy. But beside that, you must practice. Practice makes you expert. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. This, I show you this place. So beautiful, right? But why this place is not so much people, not so many people over here? Because this is business day. Okay, business day, so everybody work. Only me that stay home because I work from home. Even today the school is from home because the COVID rise up again. Okay, what else I want to show you? This one, see, only like this I draw. Yeah, only like this I draw. Oh, only like this I draw. So what difficult is that? Nothing, right? Okay. Okay, now this is the final touch is, okay, final touch is the black. I'm gonna add oh, actually you can use pencil also to trace the outline. Okay. Oh, this is okay, no problem, yeah. And then I gonna dark the other part so you can see from a distance. Why we must draw a dark outline? Sometimes our drawing is not really clear. It's fade maybe because the color. So we make it good by tracing. Yeah, by tracing like this. See. Okay. Yeah. Okay. With black also we can add some texture. Oh, be careful. Careful. Okay. Okay. Sometimes like when we draw something. Oh. Sometimes my handphone, my camera shaking because I hold with my other hand. Okay, this is the last thing to do. This one. Oh, okay. Save the nature. Okay. Save. Nature. If you want to make the letter more better, you can do it by yourself. Okay. Save the nature, save the earth. Okay. And this is the last touch. Get it? Okay, I think this is done. Thank you very much to watch my video. Don't forget, I hope you be smart people that can draw nicely. Okay, bye bye.